Assalamu alaikum. I am a student of University of Sindh, Faculty of Education. My name is Sabah Parveen, roll number 69, B.Ed 1.5, morning. My presentation topic is quantitative analysis, which is assigned to me by a respectable teacher, Dr. Amjad Ali Arain. Contents: Introduction to research. What is quantitative research? Introduction to quantitative analysis. Units and variables in quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis steps. Quantitative analysis techniques. Before going to start my topic of presentation, I want to give a little introduction to research. Research means search for knowledge. It aims at finding out truth. Research is an art of scientific investigation. It is a way of thinking, critically examining aspects of daily life. Research is a fact-finding process, a movement from the known to unknown. Research is an organized and systematic way of finding the answers to questions. Then what is quantitative research? Quantitative research is explaining phenomena by collecting numerical data that are analyzed using mathematically based methods. Quantitative research highlights numerical analysis of data. It is concerned with numbers and its relationship with events. Quantitative research is an objective, systematic, and empirical investigation of observable phenomena through the use of computational techniques. Then, quantitative analysis introduction. Quantitative analysis is a technique that uses mathematical and statistical modeling. Quantitative presents reality in terms of numerical values. Quantitative analysis fundamentally means to measure something by quantity rather than quality. When we do quantitative work, we exploring fact, measuring numbers and percentage, and work with numbers, statistics, and formulate the data. Units and variables in quantitative analysis. Units. When we collect data in quantitative educational research, we have to collect them from someone or something. The peoples or things we collect data on or from are known as units or cases. Variables. The data that we are collecting from these units are known as variables. Variables are any characteristics of the units we are interested in and want to collect, like gender, age, self-esteem. Then quantitative data analysis techniques. Quantitative data are analyzed deductively. Firstly, identify topic. Then focus with research questions or hypotheses. Then collect and analysis data. And finally, develop conclusion. Quantitative data analysis techniques can use either descriptive or inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics are procedures that simplify, summarize, and organize numerical data. Inferential statistics are procedures used to determine how likely given statistical results are for an entire population based on a sample. Quantitative analysis steps. Raw information is converted to quantitative data by quantitative analysis. For transforming to evidential data for research process, The following are the steps of quantitative analysis. Step number 1 is quantitative data analysis. It is an essential step for quantitative analysis as it will help to determine the best way to organize data. For the best to give a meaning, it has to be entered into spreadsheet and organized or coded, like nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio data. Step number 2 is descriptive statistics. The second step is to summarize or describe the raw data to make it easy to identify the pattern or visualize what is the data it is showing. The most commonly used descriptive statistics include, among others, mean, a numerical average of the scores or values of a specific variable. Median is the numerical midpoint of the values or scores for a variable at the center of distribution of scores. Then mode, the most common value or score for a specific variable. Then minimum and maximum values. It is the range or the highest and lowest values or scores for a particular variable. Then percentage. It is a format to express the set of the values or scores for variables as a percentage of the whole. Frequency. It is the count of numbers of times a particular values or scores is found or observed in the scale or the data set. Then finally, the step 3 is inferential statistics. If the data for research needs to make inferential or predictions about the population, it needs inferential statistics. It is applied for the following functions. It examines the differences and relationship between two or more samples of the population. It is employed for complex analysis. It helps in finding the vital differences between variables and the sample group of the population. It allows testing hypotheses and generalizing results. So, it's all about my presentation about quantitative analysis. Thank you.